This is a 2024 BMW 840i. As you can see, engine oil required. I'm going to do the engine oil service required reset. In order to do that, locate the start engine stop button, press that 3 times simultaneously. So 1, 2, 3. Your screen should look like that with the check engine light to the right. After that, now then you look to your left, you will see the BC button, which is this top button. So you're going to press and hold that BC button. Once you see the engine oil reset possible come up, then you can press the BC button again, press and hold it. So release. Once you see reset come up, release the BC button and press it again until alright. So now you can release and you see reset in progress. So engine oil reset successful. You can use the same BC button to scroll across to look if anything else needs resetting or checking. So you can go ahead and start the vehicle now, and you should be good to go.